You are about to learn 10 must-know beginner rock beats. First, I'm going to show you how it sounds like, sped up with music, and then we are going to slow it down so you can study the notes in the sheet music. And if you ever want to download all the notation for all of these beats, click right up here. So these first few beats are going to be perfect to play in the verse of a song. And generally a verse feels a little bit tighter or a little bit more contained. So a lot of these beats are going to be played on the closed hi-hat, kind of like this one. Next, we are going to move into chorus drum beats. And if you want a better understanding of how to play better with songs or even with a band, I think the courses Learning Songs Made Easy and How to Play Perfectly with a Band would be amazing for you. Luckily, you can get them totally for free when you join DBO Academy. And for a limited time, we are giving away 15-day free trial, so you can try the whole thing totally for free. Click right here to see if that's still available for you. But with chorus beats, you want to think a little bit more open. So as opposed to verse beats that are closed, choruses are open, which generally means you can play them on the ride, the crashes, or the open hi-hat. Let's check out what we've got going on here. And now it's time for Gabe's troubleshooting tips. If you are having a hard time executing any of these drum beats, what I simply want you to do is start to break down the beat and take parts away. Because I know for me, sometimes I might be working on a beat, but the kick drum is not working with the snare drum pattern. So I'll simply take the kick drum away, just make sure that I've got it down on the hi-hat and the snare drum, and slowly try to bring the kick drum back in. Now, this coordination is gonna feel uncomfortable, but that's okay. The more time that you spend with it, the more chance that you have of success. So stick with it, break it down into different ways, and I promise you will get it. But now let's learn some tom beats. finally, I'm going to teach you a ride beat. And this type of beat is perfect because it's open, but not as big and explosive as a crash. So it could be good for a chorus for a song that's a little bit more chill, or maybe even for the bridge of a song that's a little bit more chill. I think this beat is awesome, and you're gonna love it. Let's check it out. If you want to get the notation for every beat that you learned in this video, you can click right here to get it totally for free, or meet me in the next lesson right here where I teach you how to improve your technique. Stay true.